When it comes to accurate measurements and precise land surveys, leveling surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are the go-to professionals. These skilled individuals have the expertise and knowledge to conduct leveling surveys, which involve determining the elevation of different points on a piece of land. By using specialized equipment, such as a level and leveling staff, these surveyors can accurately determine the height differences between various points, creating a detailed topographic map of the land. Laxmi Nagar, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, India, is home to numerous construction projects and developments. As a result, there is a high demand for leveling surveyors who can provide accurate measurements for these projects. Whether it's for building construction, road construction, or land development, leveling surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring that the terrain is properly mapped and leveled. One of the key aspects of leveling surveys is determining the relative heights of different points on the land. This information is essential for architects, engineers, and builders who need to ensure that their structures are stable and level. By hiring experienced leveling surveyors in Laxmi Nagar, these professionals can rely on accurate measurements to guide their design and construction processes. In addition to leveling surveys, SCON Design is a renowned firm in Laxmi Nagar that offers comprehensive design services for various construction projects. Whether it's residential buildings, commercial complexes, or industrial facilities, SCON Design has a team of skilled architects and designers who can create innovative and functional designs. By combining the expertise of leveling surveyors and the creative designs of SCON Design, construction projects in Laxmi Nagar can benefit from a seamless process. The accurate measurements provided by leveling surveyors ensure that the designs created by SCON Design are based on reliable data. The experts you turn to for exact measures and land surveys are leveling surveyors in Laxmi Nagar. These knowledgeable people are capable of conducting leveling surveys, which entail figuring out the elevations of various spots on a plot of ground. These surveyors can precisely determine the height differences between various sites by utilizing specialized equipment, such as a level and leveling staff, and making a complete topographic map of the area. In Delhi, India's Laxmi Nagar neighborhood, there are a lot of building and development projects going on. As a result, leveling surveyors who can give precise measures for these projects are in high demand. Leveling surveyors are essential for many types of construction, including building, road, and land development. Leveling surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are the experts you turn to for exact measures and land surveys. These qualified people have the skills and experience to carry out leveling surveys, which entail figuring out the elevation of various spots on a plot of land. These surveyors are able to precisely calculate the height differences between various sites by using specialized equipment, such as a level and leveling